In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate your way around Jira. If you're new to using Jira or just need a refresher on accessing project settings, you've come to the right place. We're going to start by logging into Jira, and I'll walk you through each step to manage your project settings like a pro. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser that you feel comfortable using. Once your browser is ready, navigate to the Jira website and log into your account. Make sure to enter your credentials accurately to avoid any login hassles. And in case you forget your password, don't worry, simply follow the prompts provided by Jira to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Jira dashboard. Think of this dashboard as your command center where you can see everything that's happening across your projects. Next, it's time to open your project. Take a look at the top menu and find the tab labeled Projects. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the projects associated with your account. Browse through this list until you find the project you wish to manage. Simply click on the project name and this action will take you directly to the main page of that project. Now that you're on your projects page, it's time to access the project settings. You might notice a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This sidebar is your guide to navigating all the features of your project. Scroll down to the very bottom of the sidebar until you see a link labeled Project Settings. Click on it, and this will open a whole new panel filled with a variety of options for customizing and managing your project in Jira. Welcome to your project settings. Here, you'll find an array of settings that you can adjust. Among these options, there's a section for details, users and roles, permissions, issue types, workflows, screens, and more. Each of these categories offers different configurations that you can tweak to tailor your project environment exactly to your needs. For instance, if you need to assign roles to different team members or adjust who can perform specific actions, the users and roles and permissions sections are your go-to areas. Feel free to click on any of these options to dive deeper. The settings you've accessed allow you to have control over practically every aspect of your project, whether it's modifying issue types or adjusting workflows to better fit your team's methodology. These settings are where all the customization happens. Take your time exploring each area and don't hesitate to make changes that will enhance your project's efficiency. And that's it. You have successfully gained an overview of how to navigate Jira's project settings. With these instructions, you're now poised to manage your projects with greater confidence and precision. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.